Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton and the Compound. I got another unboxing for you. Another item my wife brought up here for us to have up here. She actually already has this set in California, but she brought one up here because got up here. She's getting off the using plastic thing, so she's getting glass. So let me show you what she got. All right, folks. So I'm cutting my head out of it so you can see what I'm getting here. This here is what my wife picked up and brought up here. Pyrex again, glass, not plastic. Yeah, people friendly. All right, so pop it open here. Yeah, I grew up on Pyrex. This is the stuff we used, most of my life. Good Pyrex handling information. A good old-fashioned Pyrex 1 cup measuring cup with the stinking metric system on the other side. Ones I grew up with had the cup, quarter cup, third cup, etc. on one side, and ounces listed on the other side. And a 2 cup one. And the 4 cup 32 ounce one here as well. All glass, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, absolutely a fabulous set here. And what I like about what Pyrex is doing, they have these clay moisture absorbers in it instead of the other silicone ones. And this, instead of being the plastic stuff, this is a craft paper, totally recyclable. All right, so this is it right here. And I'm going to have fun with this. I'm going to put these in the dishwasher here to get them washed up. And yeah, I just love these type measuring cups. So I hope you enjoyed that box opening there of the Pyrex. What's really neat about the Pyrex, I've noticed that like if you're putting hot stock in it and stuff, it doesn't damage the glass. The plastic measuring cups and stuff, if you pour like chicken broth in there or beef broth and it's really hot, it'll sometimes cause the plastic to bubble. And what that is that's causing a chemical reaction, causing the plastic to off-gas some of its components, or at least causing the stuff that it's made out of to heat up and expand out. And even if it doesn't break all the way, it lets you know that it's not a good thing to have. All right, so before I go, I'm going to post a video up here you might be interested in. I'm going to post a playlist down here, which you should find interesting. I'm going to post the link to Gray Man Prepping over here, and I may put another video down here. See you around.
This ain't Camp Crystal Lake. We have fun here.